Hello students, today we are going to do a revision lesson on the chapter integers. We are going to learn how to use the brackets. Okay, so let's start the lesson. Please pay attention. When brackets are present in a problem, simplify the terms inside the brackets first. The order of operation therefore becomes BDMAS, that is bracket first, then division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. Okay, so if there are brackets in a particular sum, when there is a simplification sum and there are brackets, you need to first solve the brackets, then division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now there are three types of brackets. Okay, first one is round brackets, curly brackets, and the square brackets. Okay, if the grouping symbol, this is the symbol. Okay, if this symbol is there in a simplification sum, which is known as, this symbol is known as bar. Okay, if this symbol is there, then you need to first solve this in the terms which are there inside the bar, that you need to solve first. Okay, before the brackets. So if this bar is there, okay, so you need to solve the terms which are there inside the bar before you solve the brackets. Okay, and after that the terms are simplified, starting with the innermost pair of the brackets and moving outwards. Okay, so you need to remember these steps, these points. Okay, you need to first solve the brackets, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. And if there is a bar, so you need to first solve the terms which are there inside the bar. Okay, we will solve few sums and then we will understand this. I have already solved these two sums. Okay, the first sum is simplification sum. Children, let's solve the example sums over here. The sum is square bracket, then 6 minus curly bracket, round bracket, 2 divided by 3 minus 2, and the bar is on 3 minus 2. Then multiplied by 4 minus 7, then curly bracket is there, plus 8, and then the square bracket. So the first step is to remove the bar. Okay, so the bar is on 3 minus 2. So we are going to do this. We are going to first solve the bar. So 3 minus 2, what is 3 minus 2, children? 1. So the other things we are going to write as it is. Other numbers we are going to write as it is with their brackets. We are just going to remove the bar. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So the sum is now 6 minus curly bracket, then round bracket, 2 divided by 1. Why 1? Because 3 minus 2 is 1. Then multiplied by 4, then 4 multiplied by 4 minus 7, curly bracket, plus 8, then the square bracket. Now once the bar, we have solved the bar, we will first remove the brackets now. Okay, now the first bracket that we are going to remove is the round bracket. Where is the round bracket? The round bracket is over here, that is 2 divided by 1. Okay, so the round brackets has these two terms, that is 2 divided by 1. So we are going to solve this first. What is 2 divided by 1? It is 2. So other numbers we are going to write as it is along with their brackets. It will be 6 minus curly brackets, then 2 multiplied by 4 minus 7, then again curly brackets, plus 8. Okay, once the round bracket is removed, we are going to secondly we are going to remove the curly bracket. Which terms are there in the curly brackets? It's 2 multiplied by 4 minus 7. So one by one we are going to remove. Okay, there are three terms, there are three numbers, so we are going to first solve the 2. Okay, any means then we are going to first solve this, that is 2 multiplied by 4, because when we go according to that order, the multiplication comes first and then the subtraction. So 6 minus curly bracket, 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, 8 minus 7, then again curly bracket, plus 8. Okay, now we have to remove this curly bracket. 8 minus 7, that is how much? 1. So we are removing the curly brackets. The numbers will be 6 minus 1 plus 8. Okay, now we will solve this. Now again there are two operations over here, subtraction also and addition also. So what are we going to do first? We have to do the addition first. Okay, so we will do the addition first. So you can take these two or you can take 8 plus 6. Okay, now I have taken this, that is minus 1 plus 8. Now minus 1 plus 8 will be 7. Sign of the greater number, that is plus. Okay, minus 1 plus 8 will be plus and minus will be minus. So 8 minus 1 is 7 and sign of the greater number is plus. So plus. And now removing finally the square bracket, that is 6 plus 7 is 13. So this is your final answer. So this is how you're going to solve step by step. Okay, each step by step you're going to solve with removing first the bar, then the round bracket, then the curly bracket and the square bracket. Okay, let's see the second example, children. The second example over here is square bracket, curly bracket, round bracket, then 5 minus 8, then round bracket into 2, curly bracket, minus 10 plus 3 minus 1, and the bar is on 3 minus 1. So we have to first solve the bar. Okay, we will first solve the bar. What do you get when you do this? 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so I will keep all the other numbers as it is. Okay, this other numbers are as it is, and 3 minus 1 is 2. Removing the bar. Okay, now after removing the bar, I'm going to remove the round bracket first. Okay, the round bracket over here. The round bracket has 5 minus 8. Now what do you get when you do this? 5 minus 8 is minus 3, sign of the greater number. Okay, you really need to be very careful with the signs. Okay, with the greater number signs. Okay, so if you do 5 minus 8, it will be minus 3. So I've written all the other numbers as it is. I have not changed the other numbers. I'm doing step by step. So I've removed, my answer is minus 3 into 2. Then the curly bracket, minus 10 plus 2. Now my second step is to remove these curly brackets. Okay. So what will I do? Minus 3 into 2. Minus 3 into 2 is how much? Minus 6. 3 into 2 is 6 and sign of the number, this number, greater number, minus 6. Other numbers I have written as it is, minus 10 plus 2. So now my final step is to remove the square brackets. Okay, but there are different signs over here, minus sign, and then addition sign. So you need to first solve the addition sign. Okay, so let's solve this first. Yes, minus 10 plus 2. So there's minus sign also, there's plus also. Minus and plus, what do you get? You get minus. You have to do minus. Minus and plus will be minus. So 10 minus 2 is 8. But sign of the greater number. Which one is the greater number over here? 10. And this 10 has minus sign. So minus 8. So minus 6 and minus 8 will give you minus 14. Yes, children, I hope you have understood these sums. Okay, fine. So children, I will stop my lesson over here. I hope you've understood the lesson. Thank you.